Hey, what's up guys? I'm finally back. I was at my parents' house for this whole time due to this COVID situation, but I decided I have to come back and finish the house. An update is that I am getting everything permitted so things will be legal because I want to build a solid foundation and not have anything go wrong in the future, because this is in the end a business and we want to do things right. So now I get the benefit of doing myself and saving the money, and everything is legal and done the right way. I removed the rest of the hardwood. This is technically the dining room, and now I'm removing the staples. Next, I'm repairing a gaping hole in the side of my house because the previous homeowner did a very bad job and drilled through load-bearing studs and created a hole just to create the vent. So now I am removing the siding along with the vent and then putting in new siding. Next, I'm removing the rest of the asbestos tile. Now I am installing the new outside light. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna make another video with the rest of the stuff that I did, but something interesting I learned was I was trying to optimize for way too many things. So every single thing I was trying to save the wood to maybe do a project for later, but I realized that by keeping all of this stuff in my mind that I'm actually slowing myself down. So anything that was not immediate to me fixing the house, any future projects, I got rid of that stuff and it's sped my progress up significantly. So with that, thank you very much for watching. See you next time.